All right, very, very long overdue. Here's a reveal of the trucks. Well, how'd I do? This is a 2005 Silverado SS all-wheel drive. Last year for all-wheel drive for the SS, 6-liter V8, 4L65E transmission. I bought this from a man in Illinois who had it for 8 years, and the town that he lived in, it basically never left. The original owner was in that town as well. So basically this truck has a full paper trail. Has this Pace Edwards tonneau cover, which is really cool. I can't function it with one hand. Absolutely no rot. Very, very healthy shape. Extremely glad it had the chrome 20s. Charcoal gray interior. Full loaded console. Sitting at 84,000 miles. Now I've had this long enough that I bought it at 80,000 and some odd miles, but it was like a 900-mile drive home. So that added on to it. And part of the reason of my uploads being slow is, well, there's freaking car seats everywhere. Now, is this truck in mint condition? No. Is it in great shape? Yeah. It does have its own flaws here and there. Like the front end, there's some paint scuffs here. It has a front plate bracket, which I'd like to remove, so that will require paint work anyway. Other than that, just minor cosmetics. I'm fighting the Pennsylvania weather, of course. Chip here on a door handle. Minor stuff like that. Able to get that fixed, no problem. But yeah, I never expected to actually own an SS trucks. I got rid of the 04 Silverado that I had. It was kind of like G8 or SS. Well, we drove a G8. We didn't love it. I knew I'd like the SS, and I do. No regrets. Especially this one being fully paper trailed. Plans, well, it's very stock other than tint. It doesn't even have an exhaust on it. I do want to put a Corsa Sport on it. I might do long tube headers catted, and I might do a 2.4 drop. Otherwise, there isn't really a whole lot I want to do to it. Probably retint it because that stuff's pretty purpley. It's pretty old, I'm sure. Got some new stuff on it, freshen it up. I have LED'd the daytime running lamps and, you know, the common practices of these trucks. Now, as for this one, I couldn't stay away from an LBZ forever. This is a 2007 LBZ Classic 2500 HD. It's on 2011 era Denali wheels with wheel adapters to make it work. I've already started tinkering with it a little bit. It's got Bilstein 5100 shocks, and I put white door handles from a Yukon Denali on it. And I basically swapped over all of my cosmetics from the old truck onto this one, including that custom tag. 570 is my area code. So the tail lamps and all that transferred right over. It has a Fass fuel system. It has Danville tuning, and I went to Missouri to get this one to get it clean and rust free. Definitely loving it. Definitely not perfect at all. There is body damages like here and there. There's some chipping down there on the door rocker, but the rocker's not rotted out like the old one was. These handles have shown their age. The frame could use some attention. It has a B&W fifth wheel gooseneck hitch, so that's pretty cool. Because it has a roll pan, however, it does not have a bumper hitch. So when I had to haul my car, I had to do it with my SS. Direction I want to go with this one, not really sure. I did order drop shackles for the back, but these are 34-inch tires. I do kind of want to lower the front and just try that out for a little while, but I do think in the long run I'm gonna get a Cognito 7 and 9 lift, run 35s on 22 by 12s. I'm definitely ready to step up to a 22-inch tire. Had it tinted, got it all done. Windshield's 35 all the way around, then it's 20 all the way around the rest. Gonna paint match whole front end except for the chrome bar. Want to keep that, keep the grill chrome. Little things here. A fully loaded 07. Common seat rip. Ugly gray interior. I wasn't really pleased about that. I was trying to buy one with a charcoal interior, but that didn't go through. 183,000 miles. So she's aged a little bit. I also put Denali door handles in here, or Escalade, whatever you want to call them. So imperfections such as like the speakers, I might just paint them to have like a little bit of an accent. I need to order stuff from the seat shop. And the back, because I'm using it. That's it. That's both new trucks, so let's see where this journey takes us.